For the engraving, I set a depth of 0.5 millimeters, which required 4 passes and finished in just under 10 minutes. The result looked clean enough that a cleanup pass may not have been necessary, but since it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes per pass, I ran one anyway. The cleanup took less than 2 minutes, and as expected, didn't make a big visual difference due to the already clean engraving. After that, I switched to the flat-end mill, used the tool height gauge again to set the Z height, and ran the contour cut. Acrylic tends to scatter debris, so it would be better to place the enclosure cover on. The job finished in 3 minutes and 16 seconds. I'm very happy with the result. The Hello Kitty tag came out clean, both in the engraving and the cut.